Welcome class to lesson 12. This week we're going to talk about social media and social networking, wing of your business that's becoming increasingly important over time. So we'll start with social media for search engine optimization. Social media as it relates to search engine optimization is a key correlation. Search engine optimization, search engines have said that they're not using social media to do bot crawling and check backlinks to your site and things like that. However, clearly a strong social media presence increases the traffic to your site. And so there is a correlation, a strong correlation between the two. And so this will walk you through strategies to succeed with search engine optimization as it applies to social media. And the purpose of this assignment is to write a one-page essay describing your social media optimization plan, including your short-term and long-term goals. Now, it's good to read this assignment as well as the social networking assignment in tandem before you start on either one, because they're subtly different, but they both deal with social media in different ways. And so let's hop over to your social networking assignment so you can see the contrast between the two. In social networking, you will go into more detail about the specific platforms you'll use. And so your social media assignment, as it applies to search engine optimization, is going to cover your broad strategy and what you're going to do overall with social media. Your introduction to social networking assignment is going to talk about the specific platforms you will use. And so you'll list 4 social media sites on which you can market your website, and then choose one that you listed and explain specific steps you could take to market your website. So this is to get you thinking about the different platforms you could use. And your business might be best suited for Pinterest. It might be best suited for Facebook. It might be best suited for Snapchat. There are tons of social networks and there are more coming. So it's good to research which one works best for your business. There's different demographics that use social networks, and so you can utilize that to your advantage. So Snapchat is going to trend a little bit younger, and Facebook is going to trend a little bit older in their demographic, and so you can balance that and target your demographic. It also the Pinterest platform is going to appeal more to the DIY crowd, and so if you have something that applies to that group who likes DIY projects and is going to be engaged in that, maybe Pinterest is your platform. Facebook is geared closely to news and information, and so you can craft it not just on the demographic but on the purpose for the social media platform. And this hopefully will walk you through some of those nuances, but keep that in mind as you consider different social media platforms and what might work best for your business. So you'll have discussion boards on each of those, and then project 4 is due. We covered this a couple weeks ago, so I hope you've been working on it. This is your Google Ads Project 4 Excel workbook. There's a video here that will cover everything you need to know about it, but there's a lot of different sheets and data to document. Again, check back a couple weeks on our weekly video for a little bit more in depth, or I hope you've watched this video and have been working on it, but that is due this week, so please keep an eye on that. And then you'll have your reflection, and then finally your student evaluation of instructor. Please take time to fill that out. I try to make changes every semester based on your feedback, and so I really care about your thoughts, what could make the course better, what I could do differently to make a better experience for you. I am trying to make sure I'm on a course of consistent improvement, and this will help future students by providing your evaluation of the things that could be a little different for the course, the things that I could do a little bit better. That part is really, really valuable and meaningful to me, so I appreciate the time to go through it. It is 0 points, and so this is not graded. It doesn't have an effect on your grade, but it is very, very beneficial to me and to future students. So thank you very much, and reach out if you've got questions about social media and social networking.